Most modern sails are triangles of Dacron cloth sewn together to form a curved shape when the wind blows against them. The cloth is very strong and stiff, with heavy reinforcements in the corners. Each corner and each edge has its own name to distinguish it from the others. For demonstration purposes, we'll use a mainsail, but the names of the corners and the edges are the same for any triangle-shaped sail. The top corner of the sail is called the head. The halyards are attached to the head to raise the sail. The bottom front corner is called the tack. The tack is usually attached to a fixed point on the sailboat. The mainsail's tack is attached to the joint between the mast and the boom called the gooseneck. The bottom back corner of the sail is called the clew. The mainsail's clew is fastened to the end of the boom. The front or leading edge of a sail is called the luff. The luff runs from the head down to the tack. The bottom edge of a sail is called the foot. The foot runs from the tack to the clew. The back or trailing edge of a sail is called the leech. The leech runs from the clew back up to the head of the sail. Once again, the corners are called the head, tack, and clew, and the edges are called the luff, foot, and leech. There are many different kinds of triangular sails, but the names of the corners and the edges are always the same. Sailboat designs vary, but most modern small boats have either a mainsail alone or a mainsail and jib. The mainsail stretches back or aft from the mast along the boom. The jib is located in front of the mast and attaches to the front or bow of the sailboat. The luff of the mainsail usually has a bolt rope sewn in it for reinforcement. On many small sailboats, this bolt rope fits in a slot on the back of the mast. Very often, the leech of the mainsail will have wooden or plastic stiffeners called battens. The battens fit in pockets sewn into the sail. If a sailboat has a jib, it usually clips to the headstay with special clips called jib snaps or hanks. Jibs that don't attach to the headstay have a support wire sewn into the luff. The jib's tack attaches to a fitting on the bow. The halyard is fastened to the head, just like a mainsail, and the lines used to adjust sail angle, the jib sheets, are attached to the clew. A sailboat may have different sized jibs designed for different sailing conditions. Small jibs for windy days, and large jibs when the wind is light. A very large jib that overlaps the mainsail is called a Genoa jib, a Genoa, or just a Jenny. A Genoa is very often lighter cloth than a regular jib to be more effective in light winds. The brightly colored balloon-like sails you may have seen are called spinnakers. Spinnakers are made of lightweight nylon, and they're used to increase boat speed when sailing downwind. There are many other kinds of sails, but the mainsail, jib, Genoa, and spinnaker are the most common. It's important to know these four sails and the terms to describe them, so you understand other sailors and they understand you when you talk about sails.